Did you know that the word cauliflower is derived from the Italian word cavafiore? I mean, clearly I can't speak Italian, but it means cabbage flower. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cauliflower smoothie bowls. I've got 3 recipes for you that are the perfect, healthy summer treat. Make sure to click on the subscribe button so you can get more healthy recipes. Did you know that 1 cup of cauliflower contains 77% of the vitamin C you need in a day? There are so many benefits of including this veggie in your diet. When you're making any of these cauli smoothies, don't forget that the cauliflower rice should be cooked. I cook mine in the microwave for about 5 minutes. This will make sure you get a creamier smoothie consistency. If you like this video, check out my cauliflower rice 4 ways video. Pina colada is the perfect summer treat. You can make this in advance, take it to the beach with you, and it's just summer. Strawberry cauli bowl is my favorite because it's super easy to do and even Teddy loves it. Iced coffee cauli bowl is perfect for mornings when you need an extra coffee kick. I topped it with Lily's chocolate because everything should be topped with Lily's chocolate. Click here for the next recipe, here to subscribe, and here to join our virtual dance studio.